Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an AI-powered content pipeline that turns a form submission or a row in Google Sheets into a polished, long-form blog post, iterating paragraph by paragraph until the writing sounds like a human wrote it. Getting consistent, high-quality blog content out the door takes hours of writing, editing, and fact-checking, and it still ends up sounding generic. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Of my blog post generator. This is a unique blog generator that uses AI to produce a blog. First step, we collect information about the blog in a tally form that goes into a Google Sheet. That information is read and submitted to another Google Sheet for filtering. We set some variables, and then an AI module generates an outline. That outline is converted to a markdown HTML, saved into a Google Drive, holds on a little bit until it creates an outline in a Word doc format, and then it's sent through an iterator. The article is passed through at least two different AI modules that are iterating between each other and converting at least 20% every single time of the article. Each time it iterates, it rewrites that particular section of the article until it's all combined together at the very end and categorized. This is where we also put the SEO into the actual article before it's converted into a markup rich text file. It's then converted into an HTML doc using a slug, and then sent up to Contentful to post into the blog article location. Then we record the Google Sheet that this one is done. If you'd like, I'll walk through an actual demo of this. Be happy to do one for you. And this can be adapted very easily to a lot of different use cases, notably another blog generator specifically for your use case. Hope that helps. Have a good one.
So that's the AI blog post generator in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit n8n.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.